YouTube just dropped a major monetization update, you guys, and it's so crazy because it just feels like YouTube don't want any more creators from the year 2027. And I'm going to be sharing with you why I think, in my opinion, that YouTube don't want any more creators or too many creators on the platform. So if you are here to start your own YouTube journey, or you are still a small YouTuber that is yet to monetize, you need to watch this video because it is definitely going to affect you, and you need to know what you need to prepare for in time. It seems like YouTube don't want any more creators on this platform, because tell me why this particular update is coming up now that is so stressing, and an update that is going to discourage a lot of small creators from actually joining the platform. So recently YouTube actually sent notification of updates on their monetization policy. Usually, for you to be able to monetize on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch time hours on your long form content and 1,000 subscribers if you are monetizing through your long form content to monetize. If you are using shorts, you would need about 10 million short views and also 1,000 subscribers to be able to monetize. But recently YouTube just changed the game, that starting from 2027 February 1st, it is now going to be 8,000 watch time hours against 1,000 subscribers. And if you are using short form content to monetize your channel, you will need 20 million short views. Like, this is so crazy because I know how small content creators are actually struggling to get 4,000 watch time hours under 365 days. Me, you guys, it's not funny because these creators are also struggling. Like, I am also part of small creators because I currently run this particular channel that is not yet monetized, and I am not even getting close to that 4,000 watch hours right now. So as a small creator, these are some of the things that you should pay attention to in order for you to actually get past this particular update. If you're a small creator like myself that is not yet monetized, you only have from now, which is this August 2026, to January 31st 2027, to actually monetize your YouTube channel. Like, no matter the watch time hours that you have, you just need to double up your game and monetize your YouTube channel. Else, from on the 1st of February 2027, you will need to have 8,000 watch hours, or you will need to start looking for 8,000 watch time hours. And of course, you know it is very tedious. Like, having 4,000 watch hours is already tedious, not to talk about having 8,000 watch hours. It is very, very tedious. Some people spend like 1 year plus to gather 4,000 watch hours. Now imagine how long it's going to take to get 8,000 watch hours. Most times, even when you put in all of the right work and everything, it may still not come out quickly. You may still not get the 8,000 or 4,000 watch hours quickly. Now imagine when it has increased like this, it's going to reduce the number of people or creators that are getting monetized on a yearly basis. And for me, I feel like this is what YouTube wants. They want a situation where they are going to be able to manage the amount of creators that get monetized, like in a yearly basis or frequently, right? Because of course, since the monetization and policies or requirements are increased, it is going to take people much longer time to actually get monetized. But then again, how can you actually walk through these policies as a small creator? Let's take, for example, you are still building your channel, you are not yet monetized, and you have, like I said, from now to January 2027 to get your channel monetized. All you have to do is double your effort. And I feel like this is also something that YouTube actually want. They want creators to double their effort. They don't want maybe part-time creators, because of course, as a part-time creator, you may take a longer time for you to actually get yourself monetization, but then you need to double your efforts. You need to put more content out on the space. You cannot go maybe putting one video in a week and all of that. Like, this changes everything for me. I feel like they just want you to double down on whatever number of content that you are putting out. So if you are putting out one video in a week, you need to make it up to like 3 videos in a week. And if you're putting out 3 videos currently in a week, you need to put out more videos in a week. This is going to help you, to get the chance to get one or two of your videos to actually do well on the YouTube space. Another thing is to make sure that the quality of the video that you're putting out is actually something that people are mostly searching for, so that it's going to also give you chance to get your video or your content on the eyes of people that actually want it. Now, when people watch your content, you get your watch time hours, right? If you are producing content that people are constantly not watching or not wanting, you will take time to get your watch time hours, right? So as a small content creator, from now, make sure that you are putting up only content that people want to see. And for me, I feel like this is going to come with a lot of repetitive topics and particular style of content, which is also against the YouTube policies. They don't want repetitive content. So as a small YouTuber, you also want to take note of that. Avoid the pressure of wanting to put out content that people want and then making a particular content too much on your channel is going to also come as repetitive, and you are going to get that strike on your YouTube video. Another thing is consistency. I feel like you just have to be consistent a lot more now. You have to be watchful. You have to know what you are doing on the YouTube space, else you are not going to get yourself monetized. Because with this era, for me, I feel like this is the filtration era for YouTube. YouTube is trying to filter out content creators that are serious from the ones that are not serious on the platform, like the ones that take making YouTube videos really, really seriously, and they're trying to filter them from each other. Now, if you are not serious, you are not consistent, because that's how they know you are serious, constantly putting up content and all that. If you are not doing that, then you may be filtered, right? And I feel like with time, this is also going to climb into a point where you would now have to, do more things, or they'll bring more policies where you also have to, adjust and do all of that. Of course, this is something that as a creator here on the platform, you should be ready for at any point in time, because YouTube will always come with their policies or with their updates, to keep you just updated and to keep the platform safe for them, right? So make sure that as a small YouTuber, from now till January 31st, 2027, you are doing everything that you can to make sure that you monetize your YouTube channel right now, because from 1st of February you are going to start looking for higher amount of watch time hours, which can be stressful for you. As if that is not even enough, there is also an update on revenue, which I'm going to be talking about in this next video that is going to play right now. So go ahead and check out that video, so that even after you monetize, or if you have a monetized channel, you should know how YouTube is actually going to make you not earn so much in the coming year. Like, this is so crazy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have your own question, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in that video talking about updates on YouTube revenues.